What is the one thing everyone hates about their phone contract? The hassle, the hidden fees, the confusing bills, and the sheer pain of switching. Well, what if your bank could fix it? Monzo, the digital banking giant known for its coral pink card and making banking simple, is making a bold leap. They're getting into the mobile phone service market. And this is a move that could shake up more than just your monthly bill. For years, Monzo's success has been built on taking a broken, frustrating industry, personal banking, and rebuilding it with a user-first, app-driven focus. Now, they're taking aim at the traditional mobile carriers. So, how will they do it? Monzo is set to become what's known as a mobile virtual network operator, or MVNO. Think of it like this: they won't build their own network towers. Instead, they'll lease capacity from an existing major UK carrier, like giffgaff or Tesco Mobile already do, but they'll offer the service and billing through the Monzo app. The key to this strategy is twofold. First, the customer experience. A Monzo spokesperson said they're developing the product because customers told them mobile contracts were a pain point, and they want to solve it the Monzo way. That means we can likely expect their signature features, real-time notifications for data usage, crystal clear simple pricing, and easy management, all within the banking app you already use every day. Imagine seeing your phone bill categorized and analyzed right next to your rent and grocery spending. Second, the bigger picture. Monzo already has over 13 million customers in the UK. This is a massive, engaged user base that they can directly cross-sell a new, essential service to. This move is all about stickiness, making Monzo an even more central, indispensable part of your life. It's a clear strategy to diversify their revenue away from just banking products and build a comprehensive digital hub or super app for their users. They're following a trend set by other major fintechs like Revolut and Klarna, who have already signaled or launched similar mobile services. For you, the consumer, this could be a great thing. More competition in the MVNO space typically means better deals, better terms, and hopefully, an end to some of those irritating contract gotchas, especially on things like roaming charges. Monzo has a huge advantage in customer trust and brand loyalty, something most network providers can only dream of. If they can translate their banking reputation for transparency and simplicity into the notoriously complex world of mobile tariffs, it could genuinely change the way we buy and manage our phone service. It's early days, and pricing and full details are yet to be announced. But Monzo throwing its hat into the ring shows that the line between banking and everything else is becoming more blurred than ever. The race to be your single digital provider for money, utilities, and now connectivity is well and truly on. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.